So my question is regarding the calendars. I did rewatch the Go High Level 3-day training. I'm just confused here. So to connect a AI Studio client calendar to the Go High Level calendar, do I need to create like a new calendar for each projects, or the AI Studio calendar would be linked to multiple calendars? So let's say I have a client and that client has, I don't know, 2 landing pages. Does this mean that 2 separate calendars for 2 landing pages? Because I can't get or wrap my head around the integration calendar specifically.
So when you build a calendar in AI Studio, GoHighLevel would require you to integrate this calendar with an actual calendar build in GoHighLevel. So as far as we are clear on that, we can actually connect multiple AI Studio calendars with the same GoHighLevel calendar. So if I build 10 calendars in AI Studio, I can integrate those 10 calendars with the same GoHighLevel calendar. All right, so that's not going to be an issue.
Okay, but why would I do that? Let's say I created 2 landing pages. Should I create those 2 landing pages to the same calendar, or should I create a new calendar in Go High Level for that specific AI Studio project?
It
If you see
depends on
my
you,
point.
like whatever you want to do. You have full control over it. So if you want to create 2 separate calendars for these 2 AI Studio calendars, you can. Or if you just want to keep them connected to the same calendar for some reason, let's say you're just testing it out, like you're testing 2 separate landing pages with 2 separate calendars, but you want the bookings to actually land in the same place, then yeah, you can connect those 2 AI Studio calendars with the same GoHighLevel calendar. Depends on you really how you want to
Okay,
connect it.
got it. Thank you, sir.
All right.